Hi guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat error code. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page you will find all the apps as you can see. So what you have to do is very simple, scroll until you find Snapchat. Now here what you want to do is click on data usage. Disable the background data like this and make sure to enable all those three options here. Go back, click on force stop. After that, open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Snapchat and update it. Very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.